Good morning to one and all. I welcome you for IABS IAS Academy Current Affairs channel IABS News Bureau. And now we are going to discuss about All India Spotlight Analysis, which was dated on July 6, which talks about India-China talk to complete disengagement of troops along line of actual control and de-escalation along the boundary. Here, who are the participants who are take part in this particular disengagement talk? From our India side, National Security Advisor Mr. Ajit Doval and his Chinese counterpart, Foreign Minister Mr. Wang Yi, took part in this particular de-escalation speech. In this particular speech, they have attained few key points that needs to be understood in terms of UPSC civil service examination point of view. The two special representatives of India and China on boundary question had a frank and in-depth exchange of view on the recent development in western sector of India-China border areas. The External Affairs Ministry said that two special representatives are agreed to resolve the issue under the guidance from the consensus of the leaders of both the countries that can maintain peace and tranquility in the India-China boundary areas, and that was the essential part of our bilateral relation for long term. And therefore, they also agreed to have necessary and long-term talk to complete this disengagement of troops along LAC, that is line of actual control, and de-escalation from India-China border lines for full restoration of peace and tranquility in that particular area. And in this particular speech, the two sides, that is India-China, also agreed and ensured that phase-wise and step-wise de-escalation in the boundary areas is possible only by bilateral and military diplomatic talks. And they are also ready to assure and to reaffirm, and they have reaffirmed that both sides should strictly respect and observe the line of actual control and should not take any unilateral action to alter the status quo, thereby work together to avoid any institution in future that could disturb the peace and tranquility in the border area. And India-China boundary lines, which are always a disputable part, can be restored to the particular country, that may be either to China or India, only with respect to accordance to bilateral agreement and protocol which are already signed between these two countries. Now we came to the end of this discussion. Thank you.